First feeding of the morning. Oh my god. Hold on. Ollie, I'm trying to give it to you. Look at it. Is it promise? It's okay. Hold on a second. Yes, I will feed you. Ollie. Being eaten alive by kittens. Come on, Ollie. Yes. Okay. Contact established. Yes, babies, good babies. Mama will feed you all. I promise. Just give it a second. Oh my god. After this madness, 4 content kittens. An exhausted mother. Sunday morning. I'm alive. Everyone is alive. Thanks God. Yes, where are you going again?